Welcome to our Power Supply Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the features and specifications of two popular power supply units, the CORSAIR RM750X and the MSI MAG A550BN. The CORSAIR RM750X is known for its high efficiency and modular design, making it a favorite among PC enthusiasts. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A550BN offers a budget-friendly option for gamers looking for a reliable power supply without breaking the bank. Let's see how these two stack up against each other in various categories. When it comes to wattage, the CORSAIR RM750X takes the lead with a powerful 750 watts, making it suitable for high-performance systems that demand more power. In contrast, the MSI MAG A550BN offers 550 watts, which is adequate for less demanding builds. If you're planning to run high-end components or overclock your system, the RM750X is the better choice, while the MAG A550BN is ideal for budget builds. Efficiency is another critical factor in power supplies. The CORSAIR RM750X boasts an 80 PLUS Gold certification, which means it operates at up to 90% efficiency, translating to lower energy costs and less heat generation. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A550BN is rated at 80 PLUS Bronze, offering around 85% efficiency. While both are efficient, the RM750X is the clear winner for those looking to maximize energy savings. Modularity plays a significant role in cable management and ease of installation. The CORSAIR RM750X features a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which helps reduce clutter in the case. In contrast, the MSI MAG A550BN is a non-modular unit, meaning all cables are permanently attached. This can make installation more challenging and may lead to excess cables in your build. For those who value a clean setup, the RM750X is the superior choice. In conclusion, the CORSAIR RM750X stands out as a premium power supply with superior wattage, efficiency, and modularity, making it an excellent choice for high-performance builds. However, if you're on a budget and need a reliable power supply for less demanding systems, the MSI MAG A550BN offers great value for money. Remember to consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.